How to see your sent friend request on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see all your sent friend requests on Facebook step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the friends icon, which can be seen at the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, at the top right side screen, you can see the see all option. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, just tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on view sent request. Now here you will see a complete list of all the friend requests that you have sent and haven't been accepted yet. And here, if you want to cancel any request, you can just tap on cancel request and it will be withdrawn instantly. And that's it. That's how you can see and manage your send friend request on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.